So let's start part one of the Tai Chi Yang style short form. I'm going to break it down into 33 short sections. But before I start out, I just want to say a shout out basically to a gentleman who left a comment on the YouTube channel. He's from Boracay in the Philippines. He's actually from Australia originally, but now lives in Boracay. And he left some really nice comments, and I wanted to say I was replying back to him and I pushed the wrong button on YouTube and ended up deleting his comments. So I do apologize for that. But I'll tell you, if I ever get to meet you in Boracay, which we do want to go to, I'm looking forward to it. So spend some time learning the form, and I'd be happy to do this short form with you on the beach in Boracay. Okay, let's start out with the first one. Just relax. Your hands are by the side. Let your shoulders drop. Step out to the left side. So I'll do this on the first move. Now, bring your arms up. Just relax the shoulders. Not too high. Now bend your knees and drop down. Let them drop to your left-hand side. And it's like we're going to roll this ball over. Shift your weight onto your back leg. Drop down. Then come forward. Heel first. Turn the ball over. Bring your other leg in and drop a little bit. So that's the first move we're going to go through. Let's do that again. Standing there, so your feet are, we're going to start this time with your feet just apart. Bring your legs up, bring your legs up, bring your arms up. Down, and drop down, good. Now, roll the ball over, drop your stance back. So it's like you've got this ball in your hand, you're shifting over. Step forward, right foot, roll it over, bring your left foot in and drop slightly. Excellent, one more time. Standing there, arms gently come up. Drop them down, bend your knees slightly. Drop your stance back, roll the ball over. Bring your heel forward, come over and in. Drop down. Now, when you're doing this, try to breathe through your nose. Take your tongue, tip of it, put it on the roof of your mouth, and just breathe through your nose. It's funny, they've done studies on this and show that you're really connecting to your parasympathetic nervous system. This will really help to actually lower your blood pressure, even reduce inflammation in your body by lowering your cortisol levels. Great. So that'll be video one. Go through it several times. We'll be adding on to that shortly.